Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? The options are A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D. C. Rajagopalachari. And the correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Second question. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? And the options are A. About 6 months in 1949, B. Exactly an year since November 26, 1948, C. About 2 years since August 15, 1947, D. About 3 years since December 9, 1946. And the correct answer is about 3 years since December 9, 1946. Question number 3. Who among the following was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? And the options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option B. Tej Bahadur Sapru, C. C. Rajagopalachari, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And the correct answer is option D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 4. The Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first met on. The options are A. 6th December 1946, B. 9th December 1946, C. 20th February 1947, D. 3rd June 1947. And the correct answer is 9th December 1946. The next question. Parliament is empowered to get all the following removed except. The options are option A. Comptroller and Auditor General, option B. Supreme Court Judges, C. Chairman of UPSC, D. High Court Judges. And the correct answer is Chairman of UPSC. Next question. Which of the following is not a function of Parliament in India? And the options are option A. Providing the cabinet and holding them responsible, B. Criticizing government policy, C. Formulating policy for national development, D. Securing relevant information on government action. And the correct answer is option C. Formulating policy for national development. Question number 7. The concept of public interest litigation originated in. Options are A. The United Kingdom, B. Australia, C. The United States, D. Canada. And the correct answer is the United States. The next question is 8. Consider the following statements. Number 1. The mode of removal of a judge of a high court in India is same as that of removal of a judge of the Supreme Court. Number 2. After retirement from office, a permanent judge of a high court cannot plead or act in any court or before any authority in India. Which of the statements given above is or correct? The options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. And the correct answer is option A. 1 only. Number 9. Who was the Chief Justice of India when public interest litigation was introduced to the Indian judicial system? The options are A. A.S. Anand, B. P.N. Bhagavati, C. A.M. Ahmadi, D. M. Hidayatullah. And the correct answer is option B. P.N. Bhagavati. Question number 10. Consider the following statements. Number 1. The Parliament cannot enlarge the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India as its jurisdiction is limited to that conferred by the Constitution. Number 2. The officers and servants of the Supreme Court and High Courts are appointed by the concerned Chief Justice and the administrative expenses are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. Which of these statements given above is or correct? And the options are option A. 1 only, option B. 2 only, option C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. And the correct answer is both 1 and 2. Question number 11. If in an election to a state legislative assembly, the candidate who is declared elected loses his deposit, it means that the options are option A. The polling was very poor, option B. The election was for a multi-member constituency, C. The elected candidate's victory over his nearest rival was very marginal, option D. A very large number of candidates contested the election. And the correct answer is a very large number of candidates contested the election. Question number 12. The first woman governor of a state in free India was. The options are A. Miss Suchita Kripalini, option B. Miss Sarojini Naidu, C. Miss Rani Lakshmi Bai, and option D. Miss Asima Chatterjee. And the correct answer is option B. Miss Sarojini Naidu.